The albatross is a majestic seabird renowned for its enormous wingspan, which can reach up to 11 feet, the largest of any bird. It is a master of effortless flight, using wind currents to glide over the open oceans for thousands of miles with barely a flap of its wings. Found mostly in the Southern Ocean and North Pacific, the albatross spends the majority of its life at sea, coming to land only to breed. These birds are symbols of freedom, endurance, and navigation, and have played a prominent role in maritime folklore and literature.